What's up guys, this is the official first hands-on look of the Huawei P30 Pro. Yup, we were just as surprised as you were. Digital Trends claims to have had personal time with the upcoming Huawei P30 Pro flagship. Well, sort of. The quick hands-on review begins with a small disclaimer. This phone is actually a dummy. The screen doesn't work and thus the guys over at Digital Trends were not allowed to take photos of the front. Also, the color is not final and may change upon release, but the staff reassured that the overall design is almost final. If you are wondering what those brandings mean, VOG stands for the codename Huawei uses and the link will be replaced by Lycia. Speaking of Lycia, the live photos strongly contradict with what we have seen and heard so far. Instead of 4, we see 3 cameras on the back. You may say that this is probably the standard variant, but the Huawei representative confirmed that this is indeed the Pro. The author of the piece had a really good point here. If we go by previous rumors suggesting that there will be a new member of the P lineup, perhaps we were hearing about the 5G capable model all along. Just like the Galaxy S10 series, the new P30 family will have with even better specifications than the Pro and will be 5G compliant. In terms of design, the article says it's much closer to the Mate 20 Pro when in the hand but keeps the general P20 Pro aesthetics. As far as specifications go, we are left in the dark. The representative was reluctant to discuss any specifications, so we would probably have to wait for the end of March release. So yeah, having been said, this is the official first hands-on look of the Huawei P30 Pro. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.